Hello everyone, I just wanted to have a candid conversation with all you people. For the last few weeks, I got a chance to judge not one, not two, but three different hackathons. Now, every time one has to look for a job, one of the tickets or one of the the exams which kind of certify you that hey, I'm ready for the job, definitely is a hackathon. When I was in my college time itself, I was very fascinated about the hackathons and have participated in so many throughout my student journey and also when I was working for the different companies. So in the last few things, I saw something which really have made me make this video around. Almost every entry that I judged followed the same trend. The students or a professional has built a React or the Next.js application. That application is making a call to, let's say that a LLM, for example, Gemini or OpenAI, and it's just replacing the result that it wants to show off. Now, when I try to dig deeper, the pattern which worried me is that it felt as if it's not the students who are competing in the hackathons, but actually the LLMs. Almost every entry these days that I'm seeing in the hackathon, people are not writing code themselves. In the name of vibe coding, they are asking GPT to give you the ideas, they are asking GPT to create the PPTs, and they are also asking GPT to create the entire application for you. And that's how every entry looks same. Every entry looks like just a POC with every code written in the best perfect way. Now, when we are doing this, when we are moving this era of vibe coding and using the AI to write the code for in the hackathons, and almost everyone is doing that, and that's where I see that almost everyone is writing the same entry, the same output, or the same quality of the code itself. Interestingly, post the hackathon, many of the students came up to me and say that, hey Vishwa, how we could improve or what went wrong. And the answer of mine to every that student, and if you are watching it, please let me know if you relate. Friend, if you just make use of vibe coding or building the application in the hackathon, I think winning today becomes exceedingly important, because then more than your code, your presentation, your face value, and how you present yourself on a stage will matter the most. And unfortunately, it should not be. In the last three events, I realized that it's not the code that the student has written has helped them win the hackathons, but their presentation skills, but their slides that they have made. Because that looked more appealing, because the code level or the quality level, everyone was same because everyone was using the GPT itself. So the points to ponder here is that, yes, I'm saying that, avoiding AI is not at all possible. You should leverage AI to improve your productivity. You should definitely use AI to write the code itself, but you're participating in a hackathon or you're building the projects in a company, make sure that you go a little deeper. When you're pitching your ideas to the people who are listening to you, not only restrict yourself what you have built, also talk about the scalability problems. Also talk about how it will scale when 100 million users will come in. Talk more in depth about the technicality, components, design, and that will differentiate you from the rest of the people. Because everyone has got free subscription of GPT these days, and if you end up doing that, the hackathons will not actually evolve you out into a better professionals, and there's a very high chance that you will be winning the hackathon not based on the code that you have written, but the presentation skills that you bring to the table. Let me know in the comments if you align with me, but I definitely want you guys, everyone who's watching this video, to understand leveraging AI is just to improve the speed at which you build something. Definitely you should use in the hackathons, but go a level beyond that, so that when you're presenting, when you are talking about your projects, the judges can hear more from the perspective of a techie who understands the tech and he knows how to scale applications for the next phase of the deployment. Hope it makes sense.